Prepare to elevate your space with Cozyology. In this video, we'll guide you through how to install the Roric curtain rod. Step 1. Adjust the rod length. Each rod section connects by twisting them together. The rods with the small side holes will attach to the base brackets and be installed on both ends. Place the extension rod in the center. This section can slide to adjust the total length of the rod. Once the desired length is reached, simply tighten it to secure the position. Step 2. Install the center bracket. For rods longer than 48 inches, a center bracket is included. Install this bracket at the midpoint of the rod span to provide additional stability. Then slide on the number of curtain rings needed for your drapery. Step 3. Install the rod. For wall mount, start by marking the installation points for the two end brackets and the center support bracket. Use a level to ensure everything is aligned. Drill holes at the marked positions using a power drill. Install wall anchors if needed. Attach the mounting plates and brackets. Then secure the mounting plates to the wall using the side screw holes. Next, install the center bracket. Slide the rod through the center bracket and place the rod onto the brackets on both ends. Your wall-mounted Roric curtain rod is now installed. To achieve better light blocking, slide the rings on both sides close to the brackets. This allows the drapery to wrap toward the wall and helps reduce light gaps. Ceiling mounting is not recommended for the Roric rod, as it will prevent the wraparound design from providing proper light blocking. However, if ceiling installation is required, follow the same steps. Mark the positions for both end brackets and the center bracket, ensuring they are level. Drill holes and install anchors if needed. Secure the mounting plates and brackets to the ceiling. Then tighten the rod into the brackets to complete the installation. Your ceiling-mounted Roric rod is now installed.